What's up, YouTube? And I'm back at it again with another video for you guys, man. In this video, this is gonna be just a topic on why I chose the EQT Vortex turbo, and why, like I said, why this whole video is just gonna be on why I went that route with that turbo, and talk about why I didn't choose the other turbos or whatever, because there definitely is another plethora of good of, I can't say that word, but you know what I mean. It's definitely a good another good amount of turbos on the market for these cars. But I just got off of work, you know, right to content right after work. But let me see, so I'm gonna start it off. There's really no, let me roll this window up so y'all can hear me a little bit better. There's no other bad reason why I didn't choose the other turbos over the EQT Vortex turbo. It's just the EQT one, I know a couple people that has that turbo, and so it's like I seen it like kind of in action in person a little bit. My one dude, he actually has the XL. He actually got done rebuilding his motor because he blew it sometime last year, but he just got done rebuilding his motor, and he's actually gonna be going for the Typhoon here pretty soon. But like I said, he has the XL. His car, his GTI, it moves. It moves, bro. A couple other people I've seen their GTIs, they're moved even with just the standard Vortex XL, the standard Vortex like I got. Like I said, I'll be able to, EQT said I can be able to make up to 450 on 93, but like I said, I am gonna have to get the new sensors. I'm gonna get the sensors from EQT. I forgot what they're called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. It's the two sensors I would need to up my boost levels, and I was gonna get a low pressure fuel pump. I'm eventually get a low pressure fuel pump, but I'm gonna throw the turbo on before I get the low pressure fuel pump. I think mine right now is still, it should be able to hold up and it's fine or whatever. I got the high pressure fuel pump put on. I talked about that in the last video. I got the 034 Motorsports one. It's been running cool. It's been holding fine. Like I say, I'm not gonna go MPI just yet. But I don't get me wrong. I am gonna go MPI. Trust me, I am. It's just gonna be a little bit later on, probably in the summertime. Like I said, I want to get the turbo on and stuff like that, and before I do the MPI, so kind of save a little bit of money right now, I guess. What else want to say? Like I said, the low pressure fuel pump I was gonna get is the EQT one. I still need, like I said, the impact, the T-map bar. That's some sensors I was talking about. Need those. I think the EQT got the combo pack for like, I think it's like 150 or something like that, which ain't too bad. What else? Okay, now I'm gonna talk about why I didn't go for the other turbo. Like I said, the other turbos on the market, you have Mamba Tech, you have TPC, you got APR, of course. What else? I'm trying to think. I'm lucky having a brain fart. Obviously, you got the EQT turbos. I'm gonna start off like that. I wanted to skip the IS-38 because technically the IS-38, I hear from a lot of people that, I mean, yeah, it's, if you want to save money and get some quick power, I'll say yeah, get it. But if you're going to be wanting more power in the long run, it's kind of a waste of money, because literally the IS-38 it caps out at like literally low 400s, and that's on full E, low 400s, and then you could do that on the stock turbos on these cars. To then make 400 on the stock turbo for these cars. So it's like that. I almost find like the IS-38 is somewhat pointless, but it's not pointless. It just depends on what you want to do for the car, your plans for your car. Me, the IS-38 would have been cool, but I know I would have been wanting more power eventually. So I just got the Vortex, so I have a lot of, I know I'll have a lot of room to turn that turbo up or whatever. That turbo is good for like, I want to say 550. I think 550. Just the Vortex, the standard one. Now the XL, that's good. That's well over good to like 550, almost 600. Now the Typhoon, and that one's a whole nother ballpark. But Typhoon and stuff is built engine. They say you can run the XL on the stock engine, which I know you can, but me, I don't want to blow it. I'm not that type of guy. Trying to push that to these motors that much, like on that like limits, kind of scares me. So I want to still keep it somewhat safe, because like I said, this is my daily driver, so I don't want to blow it. So the XL, I could have got it, but I feel like the XL would have been just kind of too much. I do a lot of city driving, so still want a little bit of quicker spool, and the XL is definitely going to take a little bit longer to spool than the standard Vortex. I mean, that's obvious because it's a little bigger turbo. But like I said, there's no other really bad reason why I didn't go with the other brands. The APR one, that one's really not, I mean, then again too, that kind of goes with the IS38, the APR one. I feel like them turbos are underpowered for real. And that's kind of one of the reasons why I didn't go to APR ones. You know, APR and stuff like that, that's all like, them is very conservative stuff like that. Like their tunes and stuff to me is very conservative. Cause I used to have a Unitronic tune on this car, and you know, Unitronic APR is different, but the Unitronic APR, stuff like that, that's conservative for real. What else I was talking to say? The Mamba Tech, I heard good reviews about it. I was actually talking to a guy that's actually like sponsored by them, that he runs Mamba Tech, he runs the turbos on his car. He said they hold up good. I was gonna go with the Mamba Tech. They was a little bit cheaper than the Vortex, the standard one I got. Like I said, the Vortex, I paid, I think it was like $1,800 for that. The Mamba Tech, I think that one was like $1,200, $1,300 or something like that. So I could have got that and saved me a couple of dollars, but it really was no bad reason why I didn't get that turbo. The TPC, I would have actually went with TPC because I'm with Sneaky, and I mean, a lot of people that's with Sneaky, they run TPC turbos, and TPC and Sneaky tunes TPC turbos really good. But the turbo, the one I was looking at, I think I was gonna get the TPC 25 and or whatever, and but it was on back order, and I did not feel like waiting. I'm a very impatient person, so I didn't feel like waiting for real until they came back in stock, and they didn't even have an exact time when it was gonna come back in stock. So I just ended up, like I said, that's why I ended up just going with the Vortex. So that was the next best choice to all those. What else kind of want to talk about? Like I said, I mentioned in the last video, I am gonna go get 2 smaller front tires for better grip. The back ones, you know, they're fine right now. But I am gonna run my car down the track at this upcoming meet in June. It's an import face-off that's coming up here again. But it was just in my last previous video that I just dropped. It was in Columbus. Now it's coming up here a little bit closer to me. It's in West Salem. It's like an hour from me. I think I am gonna run my car down the track at that, just get the experience and seat time, because I never ran my car down the track or anything like that. So just, you know, just get the seat time and all that. The turbo should be on by then, so the car should be definitely moving pretty good. Stay tuned on for that. I'm definitely gonna vlog that. We'll be on the lookout for a video for that. I know you guys will definitely like that video of me running the car down the track at you, see what it does with the new setup. I do got a draggy, if you guys can see right here. I haven't got no draggy test yet, just to see what this IS-2093 can do. But I mean, a lot of people already know what it does, but I mean, I don't know if you guys are still interested to see that. I can still do that and let you guys see it, just to see what a Sneaky tune full bolt-on 93 car runs. Well, what else is there much to talk about? There is a season opener of Cars and Coffee coming up. It's not this weekend, it's the weekend after next. It's the 19th. I will be vlogging that, and we'll be at that. Cars and Coffees is always good. You know, you always see nice cars. Always gonna see the nice stuff there, always. I love Cars and Coffees. What else I want to talk about? I am gonna be doing stuff. I am into the car photography now too. I got a Sony A7 camera. I am gonna start doing like POV videos of me like taking pictures of like photo shoots, or like if I go to a meet, I'm gonna throw my GoPro on my chest with the chest mount and just go around, start taking pictures, and then eventually drop a video and start dropping videos like that for you guys, and had a picture up, and so you can see like what I took a picture of and all that. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys kind of seen some videos and reels like that on TikTok and Instagram. But I'm gonna do the reels too on Instagram, and I'm gonna upload full videos of me doing that on Instagram. Cause I mean, not Instagram, but YouTube. Cause I feel like that'd be some cool content. I ain't really seen nobody around here where I'm at that's doing content like that. So but yeah, that was just a little video. I want to talk and just talk and drive or whatever. What else to say do I want to say before I get out of here? There ain't really too much to say I really want to say before I get out of here. If you guys got some video ideas, some more video ideas that you guys will maybe want to see that I haven't thought of yet or whatever, drop it in the comments. I can definitely will take a look at it and create them videos for you, or what do you guys want to see. But yeah, this is my video. Like and subscribe. It's your boy Jordy, and I'm out.